Hello, good day. This is a quick tutorial on some HTML tags such as select, list, and table. How can we use these tags in HTML file? Okay, the select tag is used to create multiple items, many items inside one object. I'll show you what it is. We do multiple things, group them inside an object. For example, we want to create sex and gender. You want to tell them you are telling someone to select gender or to select the kind of car, and you want to group it inside one object. We make use of select. And to create a selection using select, we make use of two subtags that are inside the select tag. But out of the two, we'll make use of one in this video. So briefly, we show you what a select tag looks like, because actually I've created this. I'll show you what the select tag looks like, and we'll create it afresh again. Okay, this is how a select tag looks. This is what a select tag looks like, and you can see from this I can select the male, I can select the female, just what I want. Once I select it, I can select one or select the other. Okay, this is what a select tag looks like. Okay, after the select tag, we'll also see the list tag. The list tag. In HTML5, basically we have two kinds of lists: the ordered list and unordered list. Now, if you go advanced, you see another list that is called the data list, DL. Okay, so in this list, in the order list, you want it to be something like 1, 2, 3, or A, B, C, to follow an order, a numeric order or an alphabetical order. You make use of the order list. But if you just want the list to be like a bullet or like a cycle without having numbers, you make use of unordered list. Irrespective of the list style, you must make use of the LI. The LI tag stands for list item. You must make use of the LI tags. Okay, I'll show you what an ordered list and an unordered list look like in HTML. Okay, quickly, you see this on your screen. You see this particular item that have 1, 2, 3. This is an ordered list, while this is an unordered list. It doesn't have any numeric order. It doesn't follow any kind of order. Okay, briefly, let's look at the last definition before we go into the practical section. Okay, which is what? Which is table. If you want to create a table or you want to construct a table in HTML, you make use of the TR. TR stands for table row. You make use of TH. TH stands for table header. You make use of TD. TD stands for table data. You make use of table body, and that is T body and T head. T body and T head, they are actually the two sections in a table. Every table has these two sections. Now, when you are creating this table, it is a professional practice to have the table head and the table body section, but excluding it will not cause a harm. So you can exclude it, but professionally, I will advise you not to exclude it. And in the usual way, I'll show you what this is. What a table is. This is a table. This is the table. So briefly, we'll create a new document and we'll create all these things afresh. So permit me to permit me to create a new document. I create a new document here, and I call it this HTML. Okay, good and fine. So I can view it. I can view it on my browser. So my browser, you see, I actually have nothing on my browser. I have nothing on my browser. Okay, so because of this, I use HTML5. I hit enter. Good. I can't change the title. What I have is select, list, and table. So I can just say HTML, select list and table. Okay. Once I refresh this, you see it will be loaded here as the title, select list and table. Okay, what I want to do is just to have my form. Good. Actually, I'm leaving that blank. Then I want to make use of H1. I call it H1. What will I call it? I'll call it select tag. Okay. Now I want to make use of select tag, and in this select tag, all I need to do is to tell the person to make a selection with gender. Okay, let's say I have a form. I call this gender. Okay, I this as okay. Then I can simply do this. I say select. Good. The name I can call it gender as the name. ID I can call it gender. Remember I told you name and ID stands for what? They stand as attributes. Okay, you see, I've done this, but when you check this, you can see nothing because nothing has been done. Okay, so what will I do? I'll say option. Okay, I say please select your gender. Okay, I have it. Please select your gender. You see it is reflecting here. Please select your gender. Okay, good and fine. Since we are progressing, so I create another option. I call it male. Then also I create another option, and I call it what? Female. Okay, so let's look at it here. If we have the male and female, yeah, we have male and female. We have male and female as the options. Okay, good and fine. The other tag, I told you we won't use it in this video because it's not in our scope yet, so that I won't confuse you. So let's proceed to making a table. So H1, sorry, not a table, a list. I call it list in HTML. Remember I told you we have ordered list and unordered list. So let me make H3. I call this ordered list. Okay, I want to list some items. So what do I want to list? I want to list, so I'll start with OL first. An ordered list must start with OL. OL means for ordered list. So LI, list item. I say mango. I'll make another list item. I can say purple. I'll make another list item. I can say orange. Good. So you see, these are just some kind of lists I've done. Okay, so good and fine. Let me create an unordered list. I'll say what? Unordered list. Okay, so I have it as what? UL. Remember, I'm going to start with UL. So I have LI, this item. So I will go with the same thing, mango, LI, mango, LI, what else? LI, purple. I'll make LI and what? Orange. LI, orange. Okay, basically, you've seen the ordered list and and ordered. I can add some things to this just for you to know. I can say, okay, type. If I say type, I'll have it as what? Circle. It has changed. The type has changed. If you watch the type when it was this, you see that's changed. It changes. So if I can have square. It will have a square-like type. Good. So same also, I can have this as type. I can have this as type. Then I can have a. I've gone alphabetical. So if I change it to I will go numerical. So that is just what I want to show you that I've added. There are other things, but I will expand in the next video, which is a more advanced video. So quickly, let's make use of table. So H1, I call this what? Tables. So in this table, I told you we start with table tag. We start with the table tag. We start with the table tag. And so once you start with the table tag, what you have to do is to ensure that you begin with what? Table head. This is the first section. And the table head consists of those headers of the columns you want. Okay, I don't want to make a simple table. I want the first one to be TR, that is table row. Then in table row, I have TH. So I have what do I have here? I have serial number. I have serial number. Okay. I have TH. Then I have what? I have name. Then I have TH. Then I have what? I have address. Okay. Or let me just use gender. Okay. This is the table head. But if you watch out, you find out that I don't have the lines yet because I'm missing something. I'll just have to come here, put border, put the border to be 0. I can make it 1. I put the border 1. Then I have called cell spacing 0. Cell spacing 0. Fine. Then if I want it so wide, I'll call this cell padding. Cell padding, I can make it 20. You find it's very spacious. Good. Okay, I'm done with the table head. So I have to go to the next section, which is what? Table body. So in the table body, I have TR, just like the table head. But this time around, I have TD and not TH. TD, so I have 1. I have TD, and the name I'll put, the name is Paul. I have TD, and the gender is male. And the gender is male. Okay, that is the TDs. Then I'll go to the next row. I want to create another row. So I have to go to the next row. You observe, I have to go to the next row. I have TD 2, TD, Tega, TD, Tega is female, figure is female. So I have, and that's all. So let me just create another row. I have TR, I have TD, that is third one. I have TD, for the name is Rukewe, or let me say Rookie, and I have TD, Rookie is a male. Okay, when you check here, you find out that we have all these as seen. Good. So briefly, we have seen how we can make use of our select, our list, and also how we can make use of the tables. More advanced tags and more advanced attributes will be shown in a video that follows this. All you need to do is just to tell me if I should create more videos, or as we advance, you see the videos. Thank you.